Toyota's about to shake up the truck world, and you won't believe how. Remember when Toyota struggled to compete with Ford's F-150? Those days are over. The 2025 Toyota Tundra is here, packing a punch that'll make jaws drop. We're talking about a truck with power that'll leave the competition in the dust. But it's not just about raw strength. Toyota's got a secret weapon that'll change everything. Want to know what it is? It's something no one saw coming, and it's going to turn the truck market upside down. Stick around to find out how Toyota's pulling off the comeback of the century and making the F-150 look like a toy. Toyota poured millions into research, determined to turn their reputation around. They weren't just patching up old wounds, they were creating something entirely new. And let me tell you, the result is about to shock the industry. While Ford and Chevy were busy patting themselves on the back, Toyota was quietly cooking up a storm with their new I-Force engines. These aren't just a band-aid solution, they're redefining truck performance with three key innovations: power, efficiency, and smart technology. We're talking about engines that can tow a house, but sip fuel like it's expensive whiskey. But here's where it gets really interesting. Toyota integrated some seriously smart tech into these engines. They adjust on the fly, giving you the best performance whether you're hauling a trailer up a mountain or just cruising down the highway. And the best part? Ford and Chevy didn't even see this coming. They were so busy trying to one-up each other, they forgot to watch their rearview mirror for the other competitors. Now Toyota's not just catching up, they're blazing past the competition like they're just standing still. These new engines are making the competition look like they're stuck in the Stone Age. Watch out, truck world. Toyota's comeback story is about to blow your mind. They're not just back in the game, they're changing the rules entirely. Let's talk numbers. The new Tundra's I-Force Max hybrid system is packing 437 horses and 583 pound-feet of torque. That's not just impressive, it's a knockout blow to Ford's 400 horsepower EcoBoost and Chevy's 420 horsepower V8. Toyota didn't just catch up, they left the others eating dust. But raw power is only just part of the story. This hybrid system is smart. It switches between electric and gas so smoothly, you'll think you're driving on clouds. 1 second you're cruising on battery power, saving fuel like it's going out of style. The next, all 437 horses are ready to thunder down the road. And let's talk real-world benefits. This isn't just bragging rights. It's about performance where it counts. The Tundra's hybrid system delivers power when you need it and efficiency when you don't. We're talking up to 22 miles per gallon combined for the 4x2 setup. That's impressive for a full-size truck that could probably tow your house. But Toyota didn't stop there. They paired this powerhouse with a 10-speed transmission that's smarter than your average college grad. It's constantly thinking, always one step ahead. It works with the hybrid system to make sure you've always got the right amount of power exactly when you need it. You'd think a truck this big would handle like a whale, but nope, it's as nimble as a sports car. One reviewer summed it up perfectly. The engine is a corker of a thing too. What a terrific powertrain this is, with an immense amount of torque to make urgent acceleration feel effortless. In other words, this truck doesn't just move, it flies. Toyota's not playing catch-up anymore. They're setting the pace, and the competition's got a lot of ground to make up. Let's talk about the Tundra's hidden superpower. Toyota didn't just slap a bigger engine in there and call it a day. They went back to the drawing board and completely redesigned the suspension. The result? A load-leveling, rear air suspension system that keeps the truck level when you're hauling heavy loads. Real-world tests show this monster can handle a 3,200 kilogram dual-axle Caravan like it's nothing. That's not just a bunch of numbers, that's real, hardcore towing power that'll make even seasoned truckers do a double take. But here's where it gets really interesting. Toyota's engineers have been working overtime to make sure this truck feels as good as it performs. They've equipped the Tundra with a 4-link rigid axle and coil springs. What does that mean for you? A ride so smooth and composed, you might forget you're towing at all. Drivers are reporting this thing tows with the kind of ease that'll make you wonder if you accidentally left your trailer at home. It's stable, it's confident, and it's a massive step up from previous models. Toyota didn't stop there. They've packed this truck with tech that'll make towing easier than ever before. We're talking trailer backup guidance and a trailer brake control system. Even if you've never towed before, these features will have you maneuvering like a pro in no time. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: fuel efficiency. When you're towing, you expect to burn through some gas. During tests, drivers were seeing around 23.8 liters per 100 kilometers. That's higher than some might like, but let's be honest, when you're hauling this much weight, those numbers aren't half bad. The Tundra isn't just keeping up with the Ford F-150 and Chevy Silverado, it's giving them a run for their money. We're talking towing capacities that are right up there with the best in the full-size truck segment. Toyota's about to flip everything you thought you knew about towing on its head. Let's talk about the Tundra's game-changing tech, the multi-terrain monitor. Imagine cruising through a rocky trail with X-ray vision for your truck. Toyota's giving you eyes all around your vehicle. Rocks, mud, tight spots, nothing's gonna catch you off guard anymore. Climb into the new Tundra and you're greeted by a massive 14-inch touchscreen packed with features that'll blow your mind. Sure, you've got your wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but Toyota's taking it further. The voice assistant actually understands what you're saying, so no more shouting, "Call Mom!" like a crazy person. Also, Toyota's not messing around with safety. They've created a system that can spot everything from pedestrians to cyclists, even in low light conditions. For the towing pros, the Trailer Backup Guide with Straight Path Assist is a game changer. All these features work together seamlessly. The panoramic view monitor gives you a bird's eye view of your surroundings, making parking a breeze. Off-roading, it teams up with the multi-terrain monitor to give you a complete picture of what's around or under your truck. Toyota's even thinking about the future with over-the-air updates, so your truck keeps getting smarter and better just like your phone. No more outdated tech, you're always on the cutting edge. You might think all this fancy tech is a nightmare to use, but Toyota's made sure everything is intuitive and user-friendly. The interface is clean, responsive, and easy to navigate. It's like they designed it for real people, not computer engineers. With the new Tundra, Toyota's not just keeping up with the competition, they're setting the pace. This truck isn't just about hauling stuff anymore. It's about giving you the tools to tackle any challenge, whether you're navigating city streets or conquering off-road trails. The future of trucks is here, and it's wearing a Toyota badge. The 2025 Toyota Tundra is about to shake up the full-size truck market like never before. Industry experts predict it could capture a significant market share within its first year. This isn't just another truck, it's a powerhouse that's got Ford and Chevy looking over their shoulders. The Tundra's packing a punch with its performance, tech, and reliability that'll make your jaw drop. This underdog story is turning into a legend right before our eyes. The Tundra isn't just turning heads, it's rewriting the rules of the truck game. Are you ready to be part of history? Don't miss your chance to experience this game changer firsthand. The 2025 Toyota Tundra is here to prove that sometimes the best comes from where you least expect it.